is still my favorite part. Easy to end and hard for me to start.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and of course I am back with another video featuring one of my favorite wig vendors, WowAfrican. So if you're interested in anything that you're going to see in this video, definitely check the description area where I will have all of the links as well as a coupon code in case you are interested. But anyways guys, this is the unit that WowAfrican did send me to check out this time. This is their Undetectable Clear Lace 13 by 6 inches of parting space Yaki straight lace front wig. This wig comes pre-customized, so those knots are going to be bleached, the hairline will be pre-plucked. There are also going to be an adjustable straps inside the wig in case you don't want to glue it down, and this is how it looks. My unit does come in the 20-inch. Again, it is their Yaki straight unit. As you guys can see, with that clear lace, it's going to melt right into your skin, and of course the 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you guys can part ear to ear 6 inches back. But this is how the wig comes directly out of the box. You guys can see it is good to go. So for those of you guys who don't have the time, or maybe you don't have the skills to do this hair is going to come to you like an influencer. Okay, it's going to be good and ready to go. And if you purchase a wig from them recently, please leave a comment down below on your experiences, because everyone would love to know. But what I'm just doing here is just getting rid of that hump that came in the box, and I just wanted to clean up that part just a little. Again guys, you don't have to do anything. This wig is ready to wear out of the box. However, my wig did come with a couple of like bumps in it, so I wanted to make sure that it was nice and ready to wear and laid to my liking. Okay guys, but anyways, here is that hairline again. It is pre-plucked and ready to wear. But what I'm going to do here is use my eyebrow razor to cut off that lace. It's very simple. Even though I'm cutting it here, I'm going to do a couple more modifications later on in the video, because I do feel like I left a lot of lace on. However, you know, the way that you put your wig on, you should put it on that way. I have my own way, which may not work for everyone, but it works for me. But I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on, and this is how it looks guys. As you guys can see, it's good and ready to go. What I'm going to do here is use a little bit of witch hazel to remove the makeup on my forehead, and taking my Melt Me Down adhesive spray, I'm just going to spray on top of the lace and use this paper strip, or you can use an elastic band or a silk wrap to pretty much push that lace into your skin, as well as your blow dryer to melt it down. Now again, I'm just going in with my hot comb to further go and lay the top of the hair, because you guys know I have a ton of hair underneath these wigs and it's starting to look obvious, I think. So yeah, I gotta lay the top down a little bit. Now here I am just taking out a little bit of baby hairs and cutting it down so that I can just do a little bit of a swoop. I do this because it really hides that lace, and I also have like a really big forehead, so I just feel like this really helps me. But as you guys can see, you can still see that lace, so I went ahead and cut off some more, and I also toned down the baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm just reapplying it, as well as using some contouring powder and some foundation to further get that lace to blend into my skin, because I felt like it was looking just a tad bit light on me. Okay, so of course you don't have to use those products, but I wanted to make sure that lace really blended into my skin. All right, now here I'm just taking a little bit of some concealer and just placing that in the part to kind of define it a little bit, and going in with my foaming wrap mousse just to further go in and try my best to make the top of the wig lay flat, because I have a lot of hair and my braids underneath are just yeah, it's really thick. Okay, so of course I want to really frame that hair around my face, and this is how it looks, guys. I'm really happy that I toned down the baby hairs because I just wanted a really simple look, not too much going on. I feel like the hair is it's giving me like a silk press vibe, okay, or a relaxer vibe. It's very thick in texture, however it's very straight as well. Okay, so again guys, here is how the hair looks. I love how their 20-inch fall falls on me. I'm 5'8" and it goes right into my waist area, and I do feel like, you know, overall the texture and the movement, the body is perfect. It's A1. Again, guys, this comes from WowAfrican.com. Of course, all the information will be down below in the description area. I also have a $15 off coupon, so make sure you guys do apply that if you would like to save some extra coins on your wig. But let me know what you guys think of this unit, and I will catch you later. Bye, guys.